Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix we couldn't install a required dependency error in Valorant. So, while installing the game, if you are getting through this error, then this video guide will help you. This type of issue generally occurs when the problem is with the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat software. So, this can be solved by installing Vanguard properly. So, let's go through this video. So, the first method is to restart VGC services. For that, you simply go to search bar, search for services over here, then here look for VGC, double click on it, and now you can see start type. Simply click here automatic and then click on start option. After this, click on apply and then check. Try to relaunch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, the second solution suggested is to enter the command prompt that is suggested here. So you need to go to the search option, look for command prompt and then type the prompt that has been given here. It is sc space delete space VGC, enter, and then again sc space delete space VJK, and then check if this solution works for you. The next is to delete Riot Vanguard. For that, you simply go to your file explorer, simply click on this PC, then click over here, then go to program files, and now here you can see Riot Vanguard folder. Simply click on delete option. Once done, now check if the issue is resolved. If not, you need to uninstall Riot Vanguard. For that, you simply go to the search option, look for settings over here, click on apps, then click on installed apps. Now go below and look for Riot Vanguard. Move below and search for it. See, here it is. Simply click on three dot icon over here and then click on uninstall option. After this, restart your PC. So simply click on start option, then click on power and then select restart option. After your PC restarts, go to the Riot client and then try to install Valorant game and then check if it is installing without any further issue. So all these are the best solutions suggested to fix the issue you are getting while installing Valorant. So that's all for now. Thank you.